Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to do a side messy bun using some really cute elastics. So to start off, I'm going to be doing spray gel on the left side of my daughter's hair and just comb that through. Next I'm going to section off the hair. So I'm just drawing a part line down the side. This doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine, but just kind of in this general area. And all you want to do is just create a straight line so that you can pull the hair up into an elastic. So with the remaining amount of hair, I'm just going to gather that up, check my part line to make sure that it's straight, and then I'll just clip that out of the way so that I can put my elastic in the remaining hair. I'll just add a little bit more spray gel. If you don't want to add spray gel, you can always add water and comb it through, and then I'm going to take a colorful elastic and put that into place. I will link below where you can get all of my elastics and any hair product that I'm using in this video. Next, I'm just going to wet the hair down. I find it so much easier to part the hair when it's wet. So then I'm just going to create another part line behind that elastic and then section off a top piece by just continuing that line straight up. Now you see that I have to go back and redo my parts a couple of times because they're not always straight. So, you want the parts to be nice. That'll make the style look so much neater. So if it doesn't look great the first time, just go back in and do it again. And then I'm going to tie that hair off with an elastic again. From there, I'm just going to follow that line that I created down to the bottom to create another elastic pony. The thing I love about these elastic styles is they really stay in all day. So if you have a toddler with fine hair, these styles, you put them in at the beginning of the day and they're in all day. Okay, now we're done with our elastic. So from here, we're going to put the rest of the hair into a side ponytail. So what I like to do for this is to wet the hair down by using spray gel and a little bit of water, and then I take my thick bristle brush to smooth the hair down. And I take my time making sure I get all the bumps out of the hair, and once I get it completely smooth, I will put in a thick elastic. Now if your daughter has really thick hair, you want to use 2 elastics. That'll hold the hair in place so much better. This daughter of mine has pretty thin hair, so 1 elastic will be fine. Next, I'm going to wet down the elastic ponytails, and then with the center one, I'm going to create a 3-strand braid. I'm just going to braid the hair until it gets a little bit farther past the side ponytail that I put in, because when I attach it in, I want the braid to go that far down. Once I get to the bottom of this braid, I'll just tie it off with a clear elastic. Next, I'm going to do my side pieces. So all I'm doing is adding spray gel to them. That way I can smooth them down so there's no flyaways. Then I'll grab these and put them in place where I'd like my elastic to sit, and then put the braid on top of it. Then I'll take another purple elastic, and holding them in place, I will put the elastic in. From here, I'm going to take out that clear elastic that I put in from the braid. And then I'm just going to continue braiding all of the 3 pieces together. Once I get to where my side ponytail is, I will just hold the hair on the ponytail, take another elastic, and twist it in place. Now I'm going to twist it around 2 times, and then on my 3rd time, I'm going to create a little bump there to start my messy bun. Then I'm going to use another elastic, create another bump, grab all the hair, twist it together, wrap any excess hair around, and tie that elastic around 1 more time. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's just kind of grabbing the hair, putting it together to make it look nice. And then I go back through with any of my bobby pins that I have to push the hair down to the head. Once you do a messy bun, it kind of sticks up funny. So you're kind of grabbing the hair, sticking it down. If you have any pieces out you don't like, just pin them to the base of the head. From there, I think it's perfect to add a cute bow, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this toddler hairstyle. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post several videos each week.